Welcome to my channel. This is a self-gifting application. It is called Uha o Audio App. Hiring agent and host. To unlock the new host task rewards, need to top up 1k coins, says the application, before you start your task. New host extra rewards for 7 days. Newbie reward 5,000 daily in 7 days. For old host, the application said is 500 per hour coins daily task. We use coin to withdraw while diamond is for gifting. Please take note, don't exchange your coins because your coins is your money. New day 5 p.m. Nigeria time, and Ghana time is 2 p.m. The app upgrade task starts from 24,000 coins. Please take note of that. You can yourself. Minimum withdrawal $10, which is 100k points. Self-withdrawal vow. Bank. USDT. Coin seller is available. And you can also buy from the app. Support me by subscribing to this channel and share it, so I can be encouraged to post helpful videos like this. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hily is a one-on-one video calling and live streaming app. We're recruiting the following. 1. Hiring business owners $500 per month. Additional locations: Colombia, Venezuela, Ukraine, Russia, Peru, Ukraine, Europe, and other countries. 2. Agents. Agents can earn $1 to $2 USD per recruited girl plus 10% to 25% commission. The more capable the agent, the higher the commission. 3. Hiring girls for paid live streaming. Idols are $5 per day, only needing to stream for 2 hours. Agents receive $1 per girl. Super idols are $5 to $6 USD per hour. A 2-hour live stream is $12, a 3-hour live stream is $18. And agents receive $2 per girl. Please contact me if you're interested. Thank you.